Open the side cover to install the TF card and SIM card. Align the camera and bracket holes, push down and hear the click sound. Stick the 3M double-sided tape on the back of the bracket. Press the adhesive surface to fix it. Confirm the position. Stick the device on the windshield, press to fix it. Connect the GPS antenna and place it outside the vehicle. Connect the power wire, pay attention to the direction of the connector. The wire is hidden under the roof panel and trim. The power supply can be directly connected to the car battery, OBD, cigar lighter. The light will turn on after connection successful. To disassemble, push the device up.